Welcome to our amazing guide on setting up IPTV for your entertainment needs. Before we start, let's talk about what IPTV actually is and its benefits. IPTV offers a more affordable alternative to traditional cable and satellite services. Now that we understand IPTV, let's choose the best IPTV provider available. We recommend visiting 222tv.store, known for its excellent service and variety. Once you've selected a provider, it's time to subscribe to your chosen plan. After subscribing, check your email for the IPTV credentials and instructions. To watch IPTV, you'll need a compatible device. Let's explore your options. Connect your IPTV device to your TV using an HDMI cable for better quality. Now, let's power on your device and navigate to the Settings menu. Enter the IPTV credentials you received via email to log into your account. Your IPTV app should now load, presenting you with a variety of channels. Take some time to explore different genres of content available for streaming. Don't forget to customize your settings for the best streaming experience possible. If you encounter any difficulties, refer to your provider's FAQ or support page. Congratulations! You've successfully set up your IPTV service and are ready to go. Be sure to enjoy your new IPTV service and explore all the features available.